How to make chai tea to reduce inflammation, strengthen immunity, and improve digestion. A strong immune system can help you defeat many diseases and viruses. Good health is extremely beneficial as it improves many conditions, such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. When encountering cold, and symptoms like cough, sore throat, fever, runny nose, and sneezing, it means your immune system is primed to deal with it. Therefore, it's extremely important to strengthen your immune system in order to fight these inflammations. As a result, this unique chai tea recipe helps to prevent colds by neutralizing free radicals. Additionally, it's very beneficial with many other disorders and acts in the most powerful way against them. In fact, chai is a word for tea in many cultures throughout the world. It is a combination of herbs and spices with extraordinary health benefits. Here's how to make chai tea in order to strengthen immunity. Ingredients: 3 cups purified water, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 cup full-fat coconut milk, 1/2 teaspoon whole clove, 2 tablespoons grated, fresh ginger, 8 cardamom pods. Sweeten to taste with raw honey. Preparation: at first, simmer all spices in water for 10 minutes. Then, add coconut milk and sweetener. And lastly, strain the tea before serving. Due to its soothing effect on the metabolism, the tea is best to be consumed after a meal. Health benefits of the main ingredients: cardamom helps with digestion, improves circulation, strengthens immunity, and has a detoxifying effect on the body. Also, when cardamom is combined with raw honey, it acts as a mood elevator. Cloves relieve pain from stomach ulcers and have antiseptic properties that help the body to strengthen immunity. Cinnamon has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It mainly aids in digestion and helps to control high blood sugar and insulin levels. Ginger helps to strengthen the immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. Additionally, it relieves the symptoms of asthma and promotes cardiovascular health.